Adding two numbers means that we calculate how much the numbers are together. Because negative numbers are less than 0, we can see them as a debt. For example, if you have $100 in the bank and $50 in debt, then you only have $50 to buy 4.
What is the distance from a plane that travels 100 meters above sea level to a submarine that is 50 meters below the surface of the water?
We can look at multiplication as repeated addition. For example, we can write the following product as a sum of terms. Multiplying 3 by 2 is thus the same as adding 3 terms with the value 2. Similarly, we can write about a product that consists of a positive and a negative factor as a sum of negative terms. Walking along the line numbers. First we make 7 steps to the right representing 3 plus 4. From the number 7 we subtract 2 by making 2 steps to the left. Walking along the line numbers. 8 plus 6. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. 8 plus minus 6. Fractions. Numerator and denominator. (0.01) equal 1 divided by 100 equal 1%. (2 divided by 5 minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 6 divided by 15 minus 5 divided by 15 is equal to 1 divided by 15. A half multiplied by a third is equal to half of a third equal 1 divided by 6. Observe how division became a multiplication by swiping the place of C and D. A pair of pants cost $300. We will have a 15% discount at the shop. How much we have to pay? We can calculate the price reduction as follow. 15% from $300 equals $45. 300 minus 45 equals $255. A pair of pants costs $120, but the price increased with 30% and the pair became more expensive. 30% equals 0.3. The change factor is 1 plus 0.3 equals 1.3. 120 multiply with 1.3 equals $156. The shop that's selling t-shirts had 2 price reductions after another. The original price was $120, and the first discount was 30% followed by a second one which was 50%. How much should we pay? 120 multiply with 0.7 multiply again with 0.5 equals $42. when the interest rate increased from 2% to 4%. It was an increase of 100%. When we look at how large a share of the money in the account the interest rate is. But at the same time the increase in the interest rate was 2 percentage points, because the difference between 4% and 2% is 2 percentage points. If you deposit $4,000 in an empty account and have an interest rate of 3%, then after the first year you will receive how much you have to pay every month for your house when the mortgage was $800,000. The yearly percent for loan is 6% and $2,000 you paid for all other costs. When Christian started learning to shoot air rifles, he hit the target with 80% of the shots. After practicing for a few months, he improved his ability to hit the target by 20%.